Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when it says this PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements whenever you're updating your Windows 11. So how you can do this, let's get started. First, what you have to do is open CMD, go over to your desktop and then search for CMD. Run it as administrator, and then what you have to do is in CMD you have to first type this command mount wall space y semicolon space /s. Then hit enter. Then you have to type this, then hit enter. Then what you have to do is type cd EFI and this whole command, hit enter. And after that you have to type del space star dot star, hit enter. And then you have to press Y and then hit enter. After that just close this and then restart your PC. Hopefully your problem solves, and if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.